Alice and Bob work at the same Lisp project, and they both have defined a function named main. How can they be sure not to have name clash? The most clean solution are packages. Packages in Lisp are similar to namespace in C++ or packages in Java. At the beginning, we can assume that we are working alone, and so the name we choose for a variable are probably not going to create conflicts. But this is not a good way of dealing with the problem. We don't know who will use our software in the future. The correct solution is to limit the scope of our symbol and defining what we are using from the outside and what we want the other to use from our definitions. A package is a set of symbols. The symbols that are intended to be used by others can be exported and imported in another package. Every time you interact with a Common Lisp, you are in some package. We can verify which one it is with the package variable. One of the main differences from other languages is that in Lisp, packages are object as everything else. We can verify it using type of the current package. In Lisp, a symbol that starts with the colon is a keyword, and it is automatically put inside the keyword package. As we can verify we check if it is equal, the keyword CL with keyword. This is how we can access a symbol inside a package. First we put the name of the package, then a column, and then the symbol we want to access. Moreover, inside the keyword package, a symbol also defines a constant with the same name and value. This way we can use keyword as function parameters without quoting them. We can see that CL and CL quoted are the same. The function describe is useful to get more details about a symbol. For example, we can see that in the current scope, the symbol AND comes from the Common Lisp package and is a macro. The Common Lisp package, or :cn, is the package that contains all the standard functions, macros and symbols. By default, when we open the REPL and define our own symbol, they are put inside, or more precisely, they are interned inside the Common Lisp user package, as we have seen looking at the value of the variable package. We can change the package we are currently in using inPackage. As we have seen before, we don't have to quote the keyword CL, we can use it directly. Now we can verify that the value of the package has changed. We can define a new package using defPackage, to which we pass the name of a package. At the beginning we have to define if we want to import some symbol from other packages. Usually one would start by importing the CL package. Then we move this file inside the new package. And finally, we can define our function. Now we can see that if we try to call this function, we get an error. Because the function test is not defined inside the Common Lisp package, which is the one in which we are currently with the REPL. We can call a function inside a package regardless of whether it has been exported using the double colon. The first part is the name of the package, double colon, and then the name of the symbol. we should never use the double colon. The correct solution is to export the test function and then call it using a single colon, as we did before with keyword. Inside a package, we could have some functions that are not meant to be used by other and only for internal purposes. We can define what the other can use inside our package using export and then the name of our function. Now we can see that we can call test even with just a colon. Finally, we can access all the symbols in the package by changing the package we are currently in. And then we can use the symbols directly. The usage of use is discouraged. It should be used only with standard libraries. Otherwise, one should always import only the symbol that is strictly needed with the import from keyword. For example, let's define a new package that import just test from com.example using the import from keyword. We change the package we are in. Now I can define a function that uses the test function in the other package as if it were in the current one. Now I can access test2 using the double column or exporting the symbol and then using the single column. We conclude with a bonus tip. All the symbols that start with a colon are interned in the keyword package. Sometimes we don't want this to happen, to keep the keyword package more clean. To prevent a symbol to be interned, we can use a sharp in front of it. For example, all the name of functions in the import and export will not be used often, so we don't have to intern them. And so we can put a sharp. As usual, tell me in the comment if you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.